sisebenzisane ukuze sithuthuzele umndeni. Not easy, not easy at all. So please, let's bear with each other. Ufuna before sivula le nkonzo ukubekezela kwethu bantu baseNingizimu Afrika ngoba kuphela iqale ngo-7. So law is an unusual situation. Konke okaNkulunkulu siyasibeka thina isikhathi uNkulunkulu ofeza konke. Now ngifuna ukubonga phambi kokuba siqale ngibonga abefundisi ngoba this is different denominations, different churches, but we are able ukuba sithobelane, we are able ukuba sisebenzisane, and it's different tradition. We have Anglican Church, we have Methodist Church, we have Zion Christian Church, we have I'm sorry, I'm trying to get the name of churches, but it's a number of them. Zionist Church, ibandla lakaGogo, iphutha ikhona abefundi
kwabe idlaphe lidla limasulu umlomo. Nina bekesihawu, nina basebukhosini. Lalani ngoxolo bantwana. Kunzima ubuhlungu kuyazela. Mara lalani ngoxolo. Bantu abadala. Mama nawu leli life, lawu leli khona. Ekuhambeni kwakho namhlanje ngizoletha izubulu zakho. Futhi thanda ukubonga ithuba, uthande nokucacisa ukuthi I had 3 kids. I couldn't count uLisedi no Lisigo without Usam. Usamgelo was my son. Samgelo was everything to me when I had no brother. I couldn't do anything, no Lisedi, no Lisigo, without approval of Samgelo.